Hi everyone. Let's see some important definitions in state variable analysis. First one is a state. State is nothing but it is defined as the set of the variables. Okay, set of the variables we called as the state. It is represented by x of t, which is the time is equal to t naught or greater than t naught. Okay, state we have to represent state of a system is x of t. It is the set of the variables. Okay, so different variables. Next is state variables. What are the variables? See, nothing but the variables involved in determining the state of a dynamic system x of t. So many variables are required to design those variables involved in determining the state. In determining state of a system, those variables we called as state variables. For example, x1 of t is a one variable, x2 of t is a second variable, up to xn number of variables. Nothing but voltage, two voltages are there, V1 and V2. X1 is equal to V1, X2 is equal to V2. Two currents are there, then X3 is equal to I1, X4 is equal to I2. Okay, like this in a system, in a circuit diagram, whatever in the problem, so how many variables are there, you have to select those variables in terms of our state variables as x1 x2 up to xn number of variables. All these variables involved in determining state of a system, those variables we call as state variables. Next, vector, a state vector. Okay, it is nothing but the n number of the variables those described to complete the behavior of the system. It is nothing but the vector of it is nothing but n number of the variables. Vector of all variables use the state vector. Vector sum of all the state variables we called as state vector. Vector sum of all the variables, we can say that here state is x of t, variables are x1, x2, xn number of variables. These variables, the vector sum of all these variables collectively we called as a vector, that is state vector. Okay, usually it is the column matrix, that is n number of rows, only one column, n cross one vector. X1 first variable, x2 second variable, x3 third variable, up to xn number of variables. All these variables use the state vector x of t. Vector sum of all the variables represented x of t. Next, state space. The space whose coordinate axes are nothing but n variables. What it means? Already in the field theory you have studied, right? So two vectors, two coordinate system, three coordinate system, the three coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system, cylindrical, spherical, right? So three coordinate system means what? Three axes are available, right? X, Y, Z. X vector, Y vector, Z vector. Sorry, X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate. Three coordinates are there. Each coordinate system, each coordinate gives a one variable. Second coordinate gives second variable. Third coordinate gives third variable. See, for example, state space is nothing but it is a one coordinate, right? It is the second one, coordinate axis. First axis, second axis. Each axis gives one variable. So instead of tell here x, instead of y, I am taking x1 and x2. Getting all of it. How many axes are there? Yeah, x and y, two axes are there. So two variables, x1 variable and x2 variable. Getting all of you. So each coordinate system, each coordinate axis gives the one variable, and this is we called as a state space. State space is nothing but whose coordinate axis are nothing but our variables. So n number of axes are there, n number of variables, right? It is a state space. Last definition is state trajectory. It is the locus of the tips of state vectors with time as the implicit variable. What it means? Locus of the tips of the state vector means See, here is a one axis, this is second axis. Joining this is a resultant. See, this is the first tip and this is the second tip here. First variable tip axis, second axis tip is this one, arrow mark. So, first tip here and second tip here. The locus of these two tips, the joining of these two tips, it is nothing but a state trajectory. We are not using a state trajectory in this subject yet little bit. Okay. But in the definition, they may ask what is state variable, state vector, state space, and trajectory definition. Trajectory definition is nothing but the locus of the tips of the axis. See, first axis, second axis, first axis tip is this one, second axis tip is this one. The locus of these two gives the state trajectory. This is our state trajectory definition. Getting all of it. See, very important definition. It is repeated question. Define state, state variable, state vector, space, and trajectory. State is nothing but the minimum set of the variables. Variables nothing but the variables involved in determining the state. State vector is nothing but the vector sum of the variables. N number of the variables, it gives the state vector. Space is nothing but each coordinate axis is nothing but our state variable. State trajectory means locus of the tips of the state vector is our state trajectory. This is what definition about all these